I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was overwhelmed until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say, they were never true. And the games you'd play, you would always win.